Did you know that Sonos has an alarm feature and a sleep timer? Watch this to see how to set and use. All Sonos speakers have an alarm and sleep timer features, regardless of model. You can set an alarm sound or play any radio station or your own music, say a playlist of wake-up music. To set a Sonos alarm, open your Sonos app and then press the setting symbol top right. Then scroll down to Alarms. Here, any previously set alarms will appear. To add a new one, select Add Alarm. On this screen, set an alarm time and select a room. At Music, this is where you can set a Sonos chime or a radio station or search for your own music. Now use Repeat to select which days of the week you need the alarm. Set the volume level. The default is 25%, which is quite loud. You may want to reduce this a bit. Duration can be anything from 1 minute or more. Now press Save. Now your alarm set. You can go back to the alarm screen at any time to edit or add new alarms for different times, days, or other rooms. So now for the sleep timer at the other end of the day. To activate the sleep timer, start playing some music and then press this grey part near the bottom of the screen. This expands, and at the bottom right, press the 3 dots and select Sleep Timer. Now select the amount of time for the music to automatically stop playing. Easy when you know how. For more Sonos tips and other easy to understand home technology tips, go to my YouTube channel, Tech with Tony, where I'm building a library with playlists to help you. See you there.